Welcome back to the Spanish side of Benidorm town. And we tell Spanish side because mostly locals are here and Spanish tourists. International tourists rarely are heading to this direction simply because they don't know what they can find. They feel that it's not as touristic, but hey, here there's plenty of businesses hiding from ya. First of all, we have some Brazilian food, El Forastero, cocktails, drinks, snacks, cakes, and plenty of typical meals out here. The Holy Craziness, this place is called, serves some great breakfast, some smoothies. They have a lot of vegetarian, some vegan options too, which is great for those who are seeking these types of meals. There's pharmacies, dental clinics, aesthetics, there's a health center, and we also have different types of sweet shops and plenty of brand new businesses. This area shifts a lot, especially in winter towards summertime, when plenty of businesses pop up like mushrooms. The sweet shop, which is where you can grab typical Spanish sweets, overall just gummy worms and plenty of things to snack on while you're exploring the area. Más y Más supermarket, which is a typical Spanish supermarket, by the way. This is where many locals are just heading for their groceries every single day. And you can go inside and feel like a local for a second. Typical businesses that have been here forever are still surviving in this area. More international supermarkets like this one here. They have fresh fruit, nice seasonal fruit, by the way. That's always what they have. And the prices here are really, really good. So if you want to grab some fruit to bring to your hotel or hotel apartment, your accommodation option, this is where to go. And oh yes, you need to try local bars. These places are packed up with locals only. People know which places are good for some breakfast and some drinks and snacks. These are the places where tourists don't usually go. And only like this you can see that it is authentic. And if you see many Spanish out there sitting and sipping on their coffee, this is a good place to go. Lovely crafts places here nearby, a place to sell some gold. Oh, this is a new one. We've not seen this one before. This one didn't exist before. A Octopus the Pirate, which is a bar and fried food shop. Typical Spanish. Once again, we tried to go once here, but we didn't like it, so we went away. Here, my husband is showing you the variety of tapas. It's all in English, by the way. And they have plenty of different tapas, bocadillos, meats, fish, seafood, fried plates, etc. We will try maybe soon enough this place for you guys. Also some shops with kids toys and a little bit of bags and just some souvenirs, plus a lot of nail salons, a lot of aesthetic places, many places that do haircuts overall, and a place that sells natural herbs and supplements. If you are someone who does take them, this is one of the places to go. Typical shops here that before used to sell animals, now I think they only sell some birds, and that's pretty much it, and just some things like food and supplements for the pets. More places for hairdressing and aesthetics, and then from here we start to see slightly more and more people. Typical bookshops and crafts one, mostly books they do sell. More Spanish cafeterias. Typical churros place is right in front of us as well. This is one of the newer businesses where you can grab chocolate with churros. Some accommodation options, H2O, which is an interesting name for an apartment or apart hotel, but there they are, brand new ones. Granier Bakery and a Cafe. Love this place. They have really good cakes here. Honestly, really recommend it. A lot of offers for croissants, different types of snacks. Also breakfast options, really good. Try it out. Usually it's really busy during morning time. And they make some nice coffee, freshly pressed orange juice, so why not? Give it a try. Also good tea selection. Here we also can find some mini garden, which is basically the flower shop, plant shop. And if you want to bring a gift to someone, this might be the place where to go. Locals that have terraces in their home are coming here to purchase these. Nearby, there's more nail salons, by the way, and a brand new acai place. They prepare these acai bowls, which is what it's called, titi acai. Really interesting, cozy, comfy place. And they offer these typical, like, supposed to be really, really healthy acai bowls. Brand new, been probably open maybe a month, 2-3 months maximum. And quite a lot of visitors already since then, which is actually really, really nice to see when good businesses thrive in the area. Some of the businesses here are closed, and I'm going to tell you why. It's not because they're doing bad, it is because they closed for holidays. Many people close down the end of July, beginning of August. This is the time when many people do not work and go on holidays, which is why you'll see some shut down businesses. Don't be surprised if you walk down Benidorm, you go to your favorite place, and it turns out it is closed. Some more cafes here. You can see plenty of Spanish. Good place to go immediately. If there is many people and they all speak Spanish, it is a good place to go. Right nearby, decades open, the dry fruit, they're called in Spanish, but basically it's nuts, walnuts, dried out fruits, and some sweets, as well as drinks. Been open for ages here and still here right now in 2025. Ooh, oh, looks lovely. This looks lovely, you guys. This is a cafe place. It's Italian place. So these must be amazing desserts. Wow. This is an Italian place. So if you're a fan, this is where you could go. Ramen Yi closed so far. Usually it's open from midday. Now it's still too early. We are early in Benidorm today. This is a very nice ramen place. We've tried it out and it's really, really good. Honestly, we've enjoyed it thoroughly, and plates are of a good size too. Another Italian place. What's happening? There are so many Italian places here. Ooh, this time it's sweet and also salty. Some pieces of pizza, some cannelloni, some extra salty things for all those who do not want anything sweet for a breakfast. More typical Spanish cafeterias with menu of the day. Look at this. Only 12 euros. Only 12 euros for a menu. That's insane. Where else can we find a menu in Benidorm for 12 euros? Before, it was really like a year, 2 years ago, maybe 3, 4, 5. This was an usual price for a menu, right? It was even $9.95. We remember it. But nowadays, if you find something below 16, you are extremely lucky. And this, 12 euros, you guys. We would need to see what the quality is, but typically, if you go to the Spanish place and you see a lot of construction workers, people from the nearby businesses, this is going to be the best authentic Spanish food you will try. Trust me, people know where they are going. Here on the left side, we have the other type of market. This is half indoor, half outdoor market. This is a square, like the big main square. Here you have plenty of businesses and it has several exits and entrances, and each one of them is filled up with different types of shops. Some of them are just souvenir shops, others sell clothes for men, women, others are bars and cafeterias like this one here, fresh hot coffee they say. Some closed down. Others do sell jewelry, different types of cups, even shoes, dresses, belts. Literally anything. That's interesting. Here we have some different types of, oh my goodness, Here we have different types of souvenirs as well. Some fancy shops, which are leather shops, jewelry shops too, which this I suppose is like stainless steel or maybe silver. But I don't think they will be putting like proper golden jewelry. I don't think they're going to be putting this one out here. Then we have a perfume shop. Avenida is actually authentic perfumes, by the way. If you're wondering, this shop that has like an owl on it and says Avenida, this is a typical good perfume shop with a lot of offers, by the way. And just like that, we ended up on the famous shopping alley right next to the Tapas Square. And right in front of us, we have the famous Laameona touristic place. We've read some of your guys' comments. Don't think that if we don't reply, we don't read it. We read them all. Even though it takes us quite a lot of time, but we're happy you guys are commenting. So if you have something to say, just say it in the comment section. Right here we have Laameona, and this is a really, really touristic spot. And people were asking if we will go there to show it to you guys and if we like it, if it's good. It was good before. Not tried it since then, but we will go there for our next episode of Benidorm Battle Series for some nicest restaurants, which is going to be the best right here by the Tapas Alley. Maybe Laameona will win. Who knows? We'll go there and we'll show it to you guys. So stay tuned for this brand new episode. Nearby, already some fancy places. There's plenty of shops here that have expensive bags and accessories that have like amber, natural materials, silver, gold, jewelry, plenty of clothes that are from really expensive brands here on the left side. Then shoes made in Spain directly out of the factory. And typical Spanish cafeterias for some nice breakfast, freshly made churros, and much more. So as you can see, it's already getting touristic. From here, it is already a touristic area, and it always has been. Here you can see not only Spanish but international tourists too, because we're really, really close to the beach. We're close to the old town, to the city center, and literally in the heart of Benidorm town. Let us know if you love to explore Benidorm, and if you go about and around. Doesn't even matter if it's a typical Spanish area and it's outside the typical touristic routes. Or on contrary, you do not like exploring and you prefer to stick to the usual well-known areas of Benidorm. We'll read you in the comment section. Thank you for accompanying us today. We wish you a gorgeous day, great holidays if you're coming on ones. We know a lot of you do. And don't miss tomorrow's brand new episode for Benidorm Battle Series.